Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to use Google Meet on PC in a very brief manner. You don't need to download any apps or any applications to use Google Meet on your PC. You just need to type in Google Meet on your browser. And after you click on enter, the top website is the official website from Google. You can use this method, or you can even use Google Meet from Gmail, which is the new feature from Google Meet. After you are landed on this page, you'll see many buttons such as this one, the support, the feedback, settings, the Google Apps button, and on the top right, this is your profile button. If you click on there, you can choose from which account that you want to log in into your Google Meet. So to host a meeting, you just need to click on the blue button, which is right here. I've already taught this one in the previous videos, but I'm gonna teach you guys again because this is a brief video on Google Meet. So there will be three options shown, and if you want to start a meeting instantly, you click on this. And if you want to share a link and you want to start a meeting later on, you click on the top one. And if you want to schedule a meeting in the Google Calendar, you click on the third one. I want to start a meeting instantly, so I click on the middle one, and now the meeting has been hosted. We're already inside the meeting, and if you want to turn off your microphone, you click on the microphone button, and if you want to turn off your video or your camera, you click on this button. So if you want to send the link or the code to other people, you just copy the link and you can send the link that you have copied to anyone via various media such as Messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, and many more. This is the link that you can send to people as well, and the link, the code is also mentioned in the link right here. As you can see, this and this is the same code, so you can even add others. After you click on this, you will be sent to the people that you click on there will be sent an invitation via Gmail, and you'll be done. If you want to share your screen, you click on this button, and if you want to turn on captions, which will be auto generated by Google, you need to click on this. If you click on more options, you can change the layout of the screen. If there are many people, you can even click on full screen to make the video full screen, and you can even apply visual effects. If you have any problems, or if you want to report an abuse, you click on this, and if you have a problem, you click on this. You can even message the people that you have present on the Google Meet. This will be shown to everybody that is present on the app itself. And if you want to end the call or leave the meeting, you click on leave call. And if you want to end the call for everyone, I want to do this, you are done. After you click on that, you need to return to home screen, and you'll be done. So I have taught you guys how to host a meeting. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to join in a meeting that other have created. So you need a link or a code to join in a meeting. So let me just see what code I have. The code will be provided to you by the person who have hosted the meeting. The code right now is HGERWUX, and JCQ. You don't need to keep in this dashes, and even without this dashes, the code will work fine. This is the code, and they can even send you the link that you can paste here, or you can even paste the code here. After clicking on join, you'll be inside the meeting. If you want to join in with your camera and video on, you just go on join now. I don't want to do that, so I'll turn my camera and microphone off. You can even check your audio and video by clicking on here. I have those turned off, so I cannot do that right now. And if you want to join in, you just click on this blue button, and if you want to share your screen by straight joining in, you click on this. I just want to join in, so
So
here
there
I
I am.
am. My audio was echoed, so I turned it off. So as you can see, I'm already in other people's meetings. Here is the code which you can share to the people you want to join in, and I have already said already, here is the present now, captions, more options. I've already taught you guys these, and here is the people, who is everyone on the meeting. So you can chat with everyone, and there is an activity I forgot to mention about this, which is this will open a Jamboard and you can write, draw and solve problems with the people that is present on the Google Meet itself. So after you're done with this, and if you want to end the meeting or you want to leave the call, you click on leave call right here and just leave the call and you'll be done. If you want to rejoin the meeting again, you click on rejoin, and if you want to return to the home screen, you click on return to home screen. Let's see how we can rejoin. So now you click on join now again and you are inside the meeting all over again. So I believe I've taught you guys how to use Google Meet on PC, and if you guys learned something today, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.